This is a DR trimmer mower, specifically the Pro XLSP. This is the top of the line version. This normally sells for right around $1,700 to $1,800, but I got it on sale for right at $1,000. Well, it took them a total of 4 weeks to get this from Wisconsin to my door here in Missouri. Let's see if the wait was worth it by opening this up and seeing how easy or how hard it is to assemble this, and then take it out to my backyard trail to see if this thing will help me clear up that trail even faster. Oh, there it is in all its glory. So here's what it looks like after you open up the box. Look at that DR logo. Man, this brings back memories of seeing this in commercials whenever I was a kid. And look at this engine that's on here. This looks really nice, 201 cc's, but it already looks like there's a small ding on it. Haven't even taken it out of the box. Come on, DR. Let's see what's underneath here. Look at the big tires that come on this. And down here, there's a big guard. Man, this thing looks pretty beefy in the box. Now over here on the side, it looks like I've got some trimmer line, all different types. And this stuff is so beefy compared to regular trimmer line. Got some twisted and some straight. Have to kind of play around with this to see which one works the best. Looks like the wheels are separate. We'll have to put these on. Grab it. That weighs less than a lawnmower. Not too bad. Looks like you get some instructions and a couple of nuts and bolts probably to put the wheels on.
Now overall, putting this thing together was an absolute breeze. There's really not a lot to it. Just adding the wheels and putting the string in. I did get a quick string attachment, which I will install in a later video, but this was super easy overall.
All right, here's my first gripe. I would expect them to include a container of oil of some sort. I don't expect it to be in the machine, but I do expect it to come in the box. But now I've got to run to the store before I can even start this machine up.
Now, lucky for me, I was able to find some extra oil in my garage, so it was really convenient. I didn't actually have to run to the store, but adding the oil was real simple, just as if you were to add it to any other kind of push mower. The nice thing about this one is you supposedly don't have to change it. It just burns itself off. You just add more to it. Now, on this particular model, it does have the electric start. So this is the rechargeable battery. It does not come with a charger, and that's something that was a little surprising to me. But I went ahead and just added some gas to this to get this thing ready to start. And to my surprise, this thing starts up so easily. At this point in time, I have used this trimmer mower for a few months. This is one of my first goes with it, and it took a while to get used to. But after I got used to using it, I have been extremely impressed with it. This is a huge time saver. I did have a little bit of an issue with one of the drive side chains popping off, but DR was really quick to actually get me a new chain to replace it. This thing is just a pure powerhouse, and for $1,000, it is well worth it to get this upgraded model.
So my initial goal was to be able to go around my trail system and kind of scalp the ground. That way I could get all the way down to the dirt, so I would have a nice dirt path to ride a bike on or to walk on. And this thing did just that. So check this out. This is some results from last night. Look how nice and wide that path is. Here's an example that just absolutely convinced me this is the machine for this job. Look at this nice even path. Right up here is what it looked like prior to me doing one easy pass with this trimmer. So there you go, that's the DR trimmer mower, and this one is their Pro XLSP model. I really do like this so far. I can't wait to see how this thing really turns out in the long run, how it helps me maintain this trail system, and how much time it actually saves me. So far, it's been a really nice tool to have in my toolbox. Now, if you guys have ever used one of these and you want to let me know about your long-term experience, just put it in the comments below. So far, I'm pretty impressed, but longevity on a piece of equipment like this is definitely something that I'm going to have to play out. So if you guys want to pick one up, I'll just put some links in there. You can go to their website. You can look at all the different models, but for $1,000, I think this one seems like a pretty good model to get. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one.